Welcome to Performance Unlimited. On the dyno today, we've got a 383 475 horsepower combination. This thing features roller style one-piece rear-made seal block with eagle rotated assembly. This particular combination is going in a truck. We opted for a Pro Max aluminum cylinder head along with an air gap RPM intake, and the customer went for the 750 CFM Holley carburetor option. This engine really came out fantastic, over 500 foot-pounds of torque. So this thing is really going to rock that truck. If you're interested in this particular engine or any one of our many combinations that we offer, please visit our website at performanceunlimited.com or give us a call at 800-267-3940. Thank you.